guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This reaction, gagawin natin ng reaction video ay ang kanta syempre nila X-Gipadel, X-Battalion, ng grupong X-Battalion, Make Her Dance, Kastakli, Brando, King Badger, MC Ren, and Flo G. So, let's get started. So, before we start nga pala guys, kung may naririnig kayong mga maiingay sa background noise, yun ay dahil buo ang mga other relatives na nandito sa bahay. Kasi alam niyo na guys, malapit na ang botohan. So, vote wisely. So, baka pag in-upload ko to, hindi na botohan. Pero vote wisely pa din guys. So, let's get started. Stop na naman siya guys. I don't know why. Pero ang gaganda ng mga babae dito. Ang sexy ah.
Ass up, face down. Booty got me going crazy. Cash runner, ass you.
Guys, ito try ko ibalik to sa umpisa. So, ano ba? X natin and then start mo.
Face down, booty got me going crazy. Cash runner.
Wait lang, ano na nangyayari, babe? Ano yan?
Ass up, face down, booty got me going crazy. Cash runner, ass yeah. Baby, one more can't resist, cause bands can make her dance. Can make her dance, yeah. Bands can make her dance. Can make her dance, yeah.
Let it slip, let me slide.
Wait lang guys, hindi ko alam. Aray ko. Ano? Ah. Guys, arts pa rin naman to. Pero, syempre, culture shock, syempre. Ano nangyayari? Hindi ko alam bakit may pag ganito as...
Baby, one more can't resist, cause bands can make her dance. Can make her dance, yeah. Bands can make her dance. Can make her dance, yeah.
Let it slip, let me slide. Lot of bands on the side. We can kick it till you top it out. Even lean it till we fuck it up. I just let it go and do the money talk. Let her strip around, strike a pose. Let her run her mouth, then it's time to pause. And I gotta let her know who's the boss.
I don't wanna spend no money, but the booty's so fine. I really wanna see how nasty you go down on me. On God, you sexy. So go on, girl, make me spend bread for you.
Ayan, ganito ang face natin kasi bukod sa nag-i-stop ang ating pinapanood, ang nakikita ko lang kada stop niya ay ang mga bobelia ng mga bebe.
Let me see that.
Ass up, face down, booty got me going crazy. Cash on her ass, yeah. Baby, one more can't resist, cause bands can make her dance. Can make her dance, yeah. Bands can make her dance. Can make her dance,
She got the
yeah.
swag, I got the flow, I got the dough to make her dance. When I said stop, she make it slow. Love it when you do that.
Guys, parang hindi na lang natin tatapusin to. Itong ano na to, itong music video nila. Okay, final thoughts. My final thoughts will be, hindi ko rin expect na ganito yung magiging music video nila na maybe because ano ba, may mga ito na, to be honest naman, may mga bata naman talaga na nanonood sa kanila or mga sa kanila to. So, itong music video nila I'm a little bit disappointed. Pero kasi, ito yung forte nila. Ito yung ano nila. brand, ito yung name, ito yung ano nila. Pag sinabi X Battalion, may mga ganitong bagay. Pag sinabi X Battalion, may ganito yung music video. Pag sinabi X Battalion, hindi mawawala yung mga ganyan. So, ayun yung trademark din nila. Isa sa mga trademark nila. So, for me, it's a little bit culture shock. Pero, in a way na hindi siya masama. Hindi naman siya masama talaga kasi it's art. It's art, guys. But, may mga bata kasing nanonood din. Either sa kanila or sa akin. So, I decided to not finish it since hindi ko rin naman siya mapanood ng maayos kasi nga nag-i-stop yung video sa akin. So, might as well i-stop ko na talaga siya. At, ayun nga guys, bigay ko yung final thoughts ko. Maybe, I'll watch it alone and, hindi ko alam kung paano. Pero the lyrics, I can't, heard anything because I'm focused on the visual. I'm focusing sa visual kasi medyo ano siya, alam mo yun. So minsan talaga pag mga ganyan hindi mo na mag-focus yung sarili mo, dun ka lang nakatingin, tama mali. So ayun talaga guys, yun nga yun ang point. So let's not make it a hard way for us. So guys, para ma-upload ko din to, para hindi rin ako makonsensya, let's just cut it. Yun lang guys, that's my final thoughts. Yun nga, ingat. Ingat. Close your eyes, lalo na sa mga bata dyan. Just feel the, kanta, the music and the lyrics, not the visual. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Stay safe.